Buenos dias. All right, we started this assignment a little bit in class. So we're learning about our roots. That means we're our ancestors, like our grandparents and great-grandparents and great-great-grandparents, even hundreds of years back, where they came from. And so we're going to look at what civilizations we have descended from, we came from. And so first you need to choose a civilization closely related to your ancestral background. That means kind of where your family descended from. You can use this map to choose a civilization. So you can open this up. So if you have any ancestors from the Americas, you may not be 100% sure. You know your family came from Mexico. So that might be the Pueblos, the Chichimecas, Aztecas, Zapotecas. Other people from southern Mexico might have more Mayan ancestry. So choose a group. Now, what if you're not from the Americas? I don't have any ancestors from here, so I might choose somebody from Europe. The other thing that I might do is choose somebody, the civilization that lived where I currently live. So for us in Utah, that would be Algonquinos. I was from Wyoming too. They covered all of this area. So I could do that, or I could choose somebody from Denmark. So I might look up something about the Vikings because I know that I have ancestors from there. So then we go back to our assignment. We're going to write down the name of the civilization. So let's say you chose the Chichimecas. You just put their name there, whatever one it is, Mayas. And then the area covered by the civilization. So if you're using that map, you can link the map. You can describe the Chichimecas. You could just describe it's through central Mexico. Okay, oops, we don't want that. Central Mexico, but you can capitalize things because we can always try to do our best work. You can write it however you would like, or you can just put a link. So we could copy and paste the link to that map. Time period of the civilization. This is where I don't know. Okay. So we need to Google some information about the civilization. We're going to write down what we learned. So I am just going to open a new browser. I'm going to do Chichimecas. And I'm going to do a Wikipedia site. And you know what? That's not always what your other teachers recommend. But we're just going to start there. We can look at other things. And we can even hear what they sound like.
Chichimeca.
There we go. And so it shows exactly where they lived, and we'll learn about them. And so you're going to read through a little bit about them. Now, this article is not very long. It has a couple paragraphs there, here, and here. So you can look at other information. My next site says, who are the Chichimecas? This one sounds kind of nice. It was written just in 2020. It seems like this is a decent website, indigenousmexico.org. And, okay, this is getting even more specific. For your ancestors are from these states in Mexico you probably came from. So it'll tell you a little bit more about it. And the article gets a little bit long, but you can go through, you can learn a little bit more. And then you're going to come back to your assignment and you'll write what time period. So maybe it was, you do the time period, at least 5 things you learned about them. So maybe where they were, things about them. And then the very last thing you get to do is you get to respond to how does it make you feel knowing that you descended from this civilization. So you might learn that they were a really advanced civilization and they did all these very interesting things, and it makes you feel kind of proud to be part of that. Or that they were very artistic, or that, just different things. So how do you feel knowing that you descended from these people? So if you have any questions, you can message me. You can get on my Zoom call between 9:30 and 11:30. But go ahead and complete this assignment. Thanks.